Good evening, friends. My name is Gokulnath, and our YouTube channel name is Tamil Traders Destination. So, upon request from many of my subscribers as well as my friends, and well wishers, I'm posting this video in English as well. So the thing is that language barriers are there. So most of my friends are from North, so they do not know Tamil, so they could not understand it. So I'm also trying to post it in English. So thanks for watching my videos and keep on supporting my channel. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and please like this video as well. So thanks for your support so far. And now today what's the topic is it's regarding forex strategy. Forex trading actually. So the same video I have posted in Tamil as well. So it's just a translation of that. It's going to be the same content in English. That's it. So actually it's about forex trading, and as you already know that forex trading is like foreign exchange. We are going to trade in currency pairs. Like normally, in India, our Indian government RBI has announced that any Indians should not trade on any currency pairs other than INR, any pairs outside the INR pair. For example, USD INR, Euro INR, or GBP INR, all these pairs only should be traded. So if we are not allowed to trade with other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and like all these things pairs. So now so we should not trade on that, but still a lot of Indians and a lot of people are trading that. And if we have any overseas account, we can very well trade on that and do the trade. And I have I have done a lot of research, and I'm researching on this forex market for the past almost like 1 year. So I have developed a strategy, and I'm just going to show you the strategy. I'm going to brief outline of the strategy and going to show the performance of what it gave and what all I did. So I'm just going to give you the plan. That's it. So it will be on always 24 hours. It will be open, and for the continuous 5 days it will be only off on Saturday and Sunday. So we cannot keep our system on, and we cannot monitor the market for all the 5 days in 24 hours. So it's not possible. Only robot can do this. So what we do here is we are just going to automate our strategy. We are going to write code it, and we are going to automate the strategy, and our bot is going to trade on all the trades whenever the logic is meeting it, and our bot will be automatically trading it. So I have written a code like that, and I am backtested. I have backtested this for the past 6 months. So also I have backtested for the past 2.5 years, and I'm just going to show you the results. Now as I told you already that we cannot keep our system on for 24/5. So we are going to buy a VPS, virtual private server. So here we have a lot of VPS service providers, for the like 1,500, 1,000 like that. We pay and get it, and we need to we need to install our MT4 and everything there, and we are going to just put our expert advisor in that, and it's going to take care of the trading. So now what I did is I just bought AWS gives us 1 year free VPS thing. So I got it from APS. Now I'm just going to share you my screen so you can see what I did. So now here you can see that I have the VPS. So here I'm just connecting to my VPS, and it's getting connected, and yeah. So so once it connects, I'm just going to show you. Just hold on, please. So yeah. My system is on. It will be on always. It's going to be on for around the year. So there is not going to be any power outage or internet disconnection or anything. My bot will be working 24/7 for 365 days. It's going to be always on. And now see, you can see that I have run my strategy Euro USD, and my strategy is only on Euro USD pair because the spread size of Euro USD is going to be very less. So my strategy is going to be only on Euro USD. So you can see that the expert advisor is already on. So it's already auto trading. So now my bot is active and it will be waiting for the logic to meet, and whenever the logic meets it will automatically trade, even if whenever I sleep or do anything, it will be trading automatically. So this is the thing. So this is the strategy which I wrote, and it's a normal breakout strategy. So support and resistance will be calculated. I have some certain things, and based on that I have drawn this support and resistance things, and after that whenever it breaks I'll just enter the trade. So there are a lot of logics in this. So here I can show you what I actually I have backtested the same strategy for the past 2 years, 2.5 years, and I'm just going to show you the result of that. So here you can see the tested symbol is Euro USD, and the period is 5 minutes, and model is on every tick. Every tick means it's a very precise method. You can see everything here, and you can see my parameters, what's my stop loss, take profit, what are everything you can see. And the modeling quality of this data is 90%, which means the data of which I have tested is really a very good thing. So it's the best data. And so here you can see I have tested this with $200. So initial deposit is $200. It means I'm starting this with $200, and what's going to happen after 2.5 years. So this is what here it's mentioned. You can see we have made $1,800 as a profit in this strategy. And this strategy is having a thing called martingale. I think most of the gamblers will be knowing about this. So martingale, you can definitely go and Google it and know what martingale is. Martingale means like we need to bet on one thing. So once you win, again one. So when you lose one, we are going to bet on two, and if you're losing two, we are going to bet on four. Like that, we'll double it. When you win, we just come back to one. Again, it's going to be moving on like that. So like that, we will be trading it. And but still we have a cap. We're not just going to keep on doubling it and the square of our account, but we have a cap. We have a certain thing. We have made a lot of research and found out what will be the maximum consecutive losses we are making, and based on that our martingale thing will be till that. If it's going to lose again, we'll be again back to one, or we'll be trading on the same thing. So again little more updations need to be done in this strategy, but still so far strategy is already a winning strategy. We are trying to make it even more better. That's it. So here you can see the consecutive wins, everything you can see. I'm just sharing the screen so you can see everything. So you can read it, because if I explain everything in detail, the time of the video will be even more. So you can see the equity curve, it's keep on moving. All these things are losses. You can see we are losing it again, and one trade we are making the money, and we are trying to maintain the curve as slope. So here is the biggest loss we made, and so you can see the lot has been doubled, and here we've won, and again it back to one. So like that, we have did this for the 2.5 years. We did this, and we made money. So this is what you can see all these trades also bottom. So this is what I have explained in my Tamil forex video. So I'm posting this for you for better understanding for the non-Tamil speakers. So, and thanks for watching my video, guys. Please support my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe if you like this video. Subscribe, share it, do whatever you want, and please support my channel. Thanks.